160 million. Here it is at $170 million. 170 is bid and selling. Here it is then, the gentleman's bid, ladies and gentlemen, at 170 million for the Warhol is selling here.
I don't owe it all to you at all. This is David Iddon reporting for Journey of a Confused Artist. Let's get tranquil. Let's get down to it. Okay. This came in. Charlie Imps. Don't like the imps. Right, we're going to get into Gorilla Girls. We're going to get into women that are neglected in the art world. Equality. Inclusion. It's not happened, has it? We have such artists as Frida Kahn, Karina Kent, Linda Benglis. Now, these girls, what they did is they collectively came together and they created, quite rightly, Gorilla Girls. To put out there the fact that they were not being represented in the art world effectively. It was kind of a activism, you know, in art, and one of the advertisements said, quite rightly, do women have to be naked to get into the Met Museum? Bearing in mind, there's only 5% of females that sell art, Tracy Emin and such like, but 85% of artwork that are nudes are women. So representation and equality were not included in that, were they? And Frida Kahn went on as one of the founders of the Gorilla Girls. If you're afraid to speak up, put a mask on your face and you'll be amazed by how much comes out of your voice. It's true. And I think a little bit of that goes into the new kind of incest or whatever they're called, you know. They cover themselves up and they're nondescript, but then have a voice. So when you get tangled up in this little web of women that are being neglected or not even acknowledged for their creativity and artwork, and that is a shame. I was at university in Plymouth, and Beryl Cook, amazing artist, and she used to do all these kind of large women, all in different situations and environments, and it was fun. And she used to go to a local pub called the Dolphin Pub in Plymouth, on the Hoe area near the Barbican, and I went there as well when I was studying. I didn't see her, or I might have seen her but not realised she might have been in the background. And opposite us was Captain Jasper's, and you get there and get a good old cup of tea, and they would do French baguettes. slicer for us little students. They did it at the student union, and full of onions, just fried onions, and then you put sauce on it. But I used to go to Dolphin Pub, and Beryl Cook used to be there. Round the corner on the Barbican was Lenkovich, who apparently had a dead body in a coffin in his art studio there. He did lots of paintings, kind of like graffiti-like, out there. Very inspirational. But Beryl Cook, oh bless her. And when I went to the Dolphin Pub on the Barbican, like I said, we had an interview at Television Southwest, and I had the portfolio with me, and we had a celebratory drink. I put it down, and then we went off. Where was it in the morning? Because it wasn't in our flat. So we went back down there, and it was still there. Now, I don't know if that was a compliment in terms of the security, or the fact that the artwork inside the portfolio was rubbish. I don't know. But women, neglected, like Beryl Cook, like we said, you know, Frida Kahn, you know, there are many artists, and that's what you have to get down to. Predominantly in the past, it was gender probably orientated, and today that's non-existent, thankfully. And so the input of the creative person into that art should be appreciated. Doesn't matter about gender or colour, creed, ethnicity, or whatever. It's a creativity. This is David Iddon reporting to you from Journey of a Confused Artist. You can indeed buy the first book, which is The Journey Begins. Bit like Star Wars. I thought I'd do it like that. It's a very short, quick bite. I used to learn a lot, and I have. And the next one's coming out, and it's gonna be really like getting in. Love you guys and gals, all you subscribers. You know who you are. Join the clan. Come on the journey. We're going somewhere. We're learning, and that's the important thing. And at the end of the day, oh by the way, painting this little bugger, I thought I'll put some flowers in there, because it's like a cityscape, and then I thought, you know what, I'm just going to get loads of flowers to... Yeah. I don't know what it looks like, I can't see it. But, yeah, just... There you go. Stick some flowers in there, just like give it a little bit of life, you know. Everything's so like boxed in. Women in art need to be acknowledged. And if you're not acknowledging any kind of person that's creative, well, don't even look at that work. Just get out of the game. I hope you guys really, really ingratiate and enjoy. I am all joy. So, goodbye. On to the next episode. See you later.